Good morning, friends. In previous video we are solving the problem set first, question number first. Write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numbers. Yes, and in previous video we have finished till 10. Now we'll see how to write 11 in Roman numbers. We know that 10 we can write as x. Now, if we will think about 11, we can write 11 in such a way that 10 plus 1. Yes? Now, 10 is indicate as x. Plus 1. 1 is indicate as I. So, if we add this, you will get xi. That means 11 we can write in xi. Okay, when we are adding a number, smaller number to bigger number, that Roman numbers you will write in the left hand side of bigger number. Yes, now we'll see how to write 12 in Roman number. Like 11 we have done, we can write in this way also. 12 we can write 11 plus 1. That means 11 we can write xi plus I. That means 11 we can write x double I. Like at 13 also we can write 13. This is for understanding. Okay, no need of writing this column in your notebook. This is for just for understanding. I am just explaining how to write the numbers. Okay, so 13 we can write 12 plus 1. 12 we can write xii plus 1 means I. It means if we add this I in this, you will get xii. That means 13 we can write xii. Now we'll see 14. Okay, 14, if you want to write 14 in Roman numbers, how we can write? If we will think about in this way, that 14 we can write 13 plus 1. 13 means xii plus 1. But if you write in this way, if you add this, you will find that I will occur in 4 times. But our rule number second says that the symbol of ix can be repeated consecutively for a maximum of 3 times. Only we can write 3 times consecutive any number. But if it become your 4 times, this will become wrong. So how to write 14 in Roman number? 14 in this way also we can write 14 is equal to 10 plus 4. 10 will indicate as x. 4 means I, we have learned in here. It will become xiv. So 14 we can write xiv. Now 15. 15 we can say 15 will become 10 plus 5. Now 10 we can write x plus 5 we can write v. It will, if you add this, it will become v. Okay, so here 15 we can write x v. Just see here, this column is for just for understanding. Okay, no need of writing this column in your notebook. Just write the numbers and Roman numbers. Clear? Now we'll talk about 16. How we can write? In same way we can write 10 plus 6. 10 we can write x plus, now 6 how we can write? Now if you add this, you will find x. So x v I. Now 17, same way. 10 plus 7, 10 is indicated as x. 7 v I I. If you add them, you will get x v I. This will become 17. Now 18, same. 18 plus 10 plus 8, you will find x. 8, how we can write? v I. If you add them, you will find it will become now 19. How we can write 19? We can write 19 in such way that 19 is equal to 10 plus 9 x plus 9. Now 9, how we can write? I x. If you add them, you will find x I x. Now 20, we can write 20 as well as 10 plus 10. It will become x plus x equal to x. So here, now we have completed our question number first. Now what you will do, you will write the question in your notebook and you will write the numbers from 1 to 20, and you will not going to be write this column. Okay, so this is for just understanding. Now after this writing the column, you will write this column, Roman number. Clear? Now we'll move to our question number second. Write the following number using international number. That means here downside you can see a Roman numbers is given, and you have to convert this Roman number into international number. International number means 1, 2, 3, 4 as we are using usually. So we have to convert it. Okay. So first of all, what you will do, you will write the question, write the following number using international number. In this way you will write and will write the answer. First of all, we'll see v. As we know that v is very simple, we can write in international number as 5. Now v I, that means v means 5, 2 I is going to be added with 5. That what will become? 5 plus 2, it will become 7. X we can write 10, simple it is. Now x I with 10 means x is going to be added 3i. That means 10 plus 3, you will find it is 13. Now x I v. If you will break this to understand, it will become x plus iv. Iv means 4. So 10 plus 4 is equal to, you will find it is 14. Now x vi. If you will find it, it will become, this will become x plus vi. X means 10, vi means 6. So 10 plus 6, you will, what it will become? 16. Clear? No need of writing this, this for just understanding. Okay. Now x v I. If you break this, you will find, what will find? X plus vi. Now this will become 10, this will become 8. It will become 10 plus 8. What will become? 18. Now I x. Now this is easier one, I think so. You all of you know I x means 9. Clear? Just write down the all questions and answer. Okay.